Source: Addex Therapeutics Robust cash position of 45 million Swiss francs following capital raise in Q1 2018. Major global licensing agreement with Indivior and Addiction Geneva, Switzerland, the 30th of April 2018. Addex Therapeutics, 6, ADXN, a leading company pioneering allosteric modulation-based drug discovery and development, today reported its full-year results for the year ended the 31st of December 2017 and provided a corporate update. 2017 saw us making significant strides towards rebuilding value for shareholders in Addex. Our concerted efforts in business development and investor relations were rewarded with an important partnership with Indivior plc, the world's leading developer of addiction treatments, and a transformational financing, both announced during the first quarter 2018, said Tim Dyer, CEO of Addex. These significant achievements will allow us to deliver on multiple key product development milestones in 2018, most importantly the start of registrational studies for our lead allosteric modulator, dipraglurant, in levodopa-induced dyskinesia associated with Parkinson's disease. 2017 operating highlights: continued preparing dipraglurant for the start of U.S. registration studies. ADX71441 program awarded $5.3 million grant from U.S. National Institute on Drug Abuse to support human studies in the treatment of cocaine use disorder. Demonstrated statistically significant effect in preclinical model of osteoarthritic pain. Preclinical data published on effect in alcohol use disorder. Awarded $835,000 grant from the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research to advance TRKB PAMs for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. Key 2017 financial data: CHF thousands 2017-2016 exchange income $499,411 21% are Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research to cover certain clinical activities related to dipraglurant development in Parkinson's disease, levodopa-induced dyskinesia, and discovery activities related to our TRKB PAM program. Research and development expenses increased by 7% to 2.6 million Swiss francs in 2017, compared to 2.4 million Swiss francs in 2016, mainly due to an increase in the number of staff and consultants deployed on the preparation of dipraglurant for registration studies in PD-LID and outsourced research costs on our TRKB PAM program. They also include depreciation of laboratory equipment and leasehold improvements, costs of materials used in research, costs associated with renting and operating facilities and equipment, as well as fees paid to consultants, patent costs and other outside service fees and overhead costs. These expenses include costs for proprietary and third-party R. The net loss for the 2017 financial year was 3.3 million Swiss francs compared to 3.1 million Swiss francs for 2016. Basic and diluted loss per share decreased to 25 Swiss Rappen for 2017, compared to 28 Swiss Rappen for 2016. Cash and cash equivalents increased by 83% to 2.6 million Swiss francs at the 31st of December 2017, compared to 1.4 million Swiss francs at the 31st of December 2016. This increase of 1.2 million Swiss francs is primarily due to the gross proceeds of 3.5 million Swiss francs from the sale of treasury shares, partially offset by the cash used in operations of 2.2 million Swiss francs post-year-end 2017 balance sheet events. On the 28th of March 2018, the company increased its share capital by issuing 13,037,577 new shares with a nominal value of 1 Swiss franc each at an issue price of 3 Swiss francs and 13 Rappen per share. Of these new shares, 12,917,129 were placed with investors, raising 40.4 million Swiss francs of gross proceeds, and the remaining 120,448 new shares were recorded as treasury shares, bringing the total outstanding issued share capital to 28,564,031. Each new share received a 7-year warrant to purchase 0.45 of a share at a price of 3 Swiss francs and 43 Rappen. On the 2nd of January 2018, the group signed a licensing and collaboration agreement with Indivior plc for the global development and commercialization of ADX71441 for the treatment of addiction. An upfront payment of $5 million has been received in January 2018. At the 31st of March 2018, Addex had cash and cash equivalents of approximately 45 million Swiss francs. 2017 Annual Report. The 2017 Annual Report can be found on the Investor Relations page of our website. Conference call. Details of conference call will be held today, Monday the 30th of April 2018 at 3 p.m. Set 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time to review the financial results. Tim Dyer, Chief Executive Officer, Roger Mills, Chief Medical Officer, and Robert Lutjens, Head of Discovery, will deliver a brief presentation followed by a Q. Joining the conference call, in the 10 minutes prior to the call start time, call the appropriate participant dial-in number. Dial-in numbers: Switzerland 4144-580-6522, UK 44-20-30-09-2470, US 1-877423-0830. Other countries provide the operator with the conference ID, 64,132,152. Allosteric modulators are an emerging class of small molecule drugs which have the potential to be more specific and confer significant therapeutic advantages over conventional, orthosteric, small molecule or biological drugs. Addex's allosteric modulator drug discovery platform targets receptors and other proteins that are recognized as essential for therapeutic intervention. The Addex pipeline was generated from this pioneering allosteric modulator drug discovery platform. Addex's lead drug candidate, dipraglurant, MGLUR5 negative allosteric modulator or NAM, has successfully completed a Phase 2A POC in Parkinson's disease levodopa-induced dyskinesia (PD-LID), and is being prepared to enter registration trials for PD-LID. In parallel, dipraglurant's therapeutic use in dystonia is being investigated. Addex's second clinical program, ADXN1149, MGLUR2 positive allosteric modulator or PAM, is being developed in collaboration with Janssen Pharmaceuticals, Inc. for epilepsy. In addition, ADX71441, GABAB receptor PAM program was awarded a $5.3 million grant by the U.S. National Institute on Drug Abuse, NIDA, a division of National Institutes of Health, NIH, to support human studies in cocaine addiction and has been licensed to Indivior plc. Discovery programs include GABAB PAM for CMT1A neuropathy, MGLUR4PAM, MGLUR7NAM, TRKB PAM and MGLUR3NAM. Press contacts. Disclaimer: forward-looking statements. This communication does not constitute an offer or invitation to subscribe for or purchase any securities of Addex Therapeutics Limited. This publication may contain certain forward-looking statements concerning the company and its business. Such statements involve certain risks, uncertainties and other factors which could cause the actual results, financial condition, performance or achievements of the company to be materially different from those expressed or implied by such statements. Readers should therefore not place undue reliance on these statements, particularly not in connection with any contract or investment decision. The company disclaims any obligation to update these forward-looking statements.